12 healthy breakfast food options. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, or so they say. After all, it's designed to be the first meal you eat after waking up in the morning. In other words, when you have breakfast, you're literally breaking your fast from the night before. As for what's supposed to go into a healthy breakfast, there seem to be at least a few food choices that people agree on for their morning routines. Eggs, oatmeal, fruit, tea, and coffee are all popular choices. But do these choices really constitute a balanced breakfast? That's a question that we here at Bestie want answered. Before we continue, start your day off right by subscribing to Bestie and clicking the notification bell in order to stay up to date on all our great videos and daily new content. So how important is breakfast when it comes to your morning routine? According to dietitian Franziska Spritzler of Healthline, it might not be as crucial as the title "most important meal of the day" would lead you to believe. According to Spritzler, no breakfast at all is still better than an unhealthy breakfast. However, Spritzler goes on to say that a nutritious and balanced breakfast can be just the thing you need to jumpstart your day with an extra boost of energy, as well as prevent you from overeating later on in the day as your body tries to make up for the lost calories. Here's a list of healthy foods which, according to Spritzler, are an ideal addition to any balanced and nutritious breakfast. Number 1. Eggs. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Regardless of the answer, one thing we know for sure is that eggs are a nutritious addition to any breakfast. In addition to helping your body maintain steady blood sugar and insulin levels, eating eggs also promotes feelings of long-lasting fullness, reducing your overall calorie intake by making you less likely to overeat when your next meal rolls around. The yolk of the egg also contains antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which can prevent health conditions which affect the eyes, such as cataracts. Eggs are also a valuable source of choline, an important nutrient which aids in overall health of your brain and liver. So tell us, how do you like your eggs? Number 2. Greek yogurt. Like eggs, Greek yogurt is considered an excellent source of protein, as well as being another food which leaves you feeling full and reduces feelings of hunger. If that wasn't enough, full-fat yogurts, such as Greek yogurt, are also a source of what's known as conjugated linolenic acid, or CLA. If that name sounds scary to you, it shouldn't. CLA is believed to be useful for promoting weight loss, as well as reducing the risk of certain cancers, such as breast cancer. Certain types of Greek yogurt may also contain healthy probiotics, such as bifidobacteria, which can help you to maintain a healthy gut and ease digestion. Man, some of these nutrient names can be pretty hard to pronounce sometimes. I guess you could say it's all Greek to me. Number 3. Coffee. Okay, cards on the table. We here at Bestie have previously made videos discussing the benefits of living caffeine-free. However, in an effort to show both sides of the argument, we'd be doing you a disservice if we didn't also mention some of the healthier aspects of coffee as well. Sure enough, caffeine does indeed improve your mental alertness, performance, and mood, though multiple studies claim that you only need less than 1 full cup of coffee per day to get the most out of this benefit. Coffee is also rich in antioxidants, and studies have indicated that caffeine may help increase your metabolic rate as well, which can help with fat burning and weight loss. So, while you might not necessarily need to quit drinking coffee altogether, you might want to at least consider cutting back. Number 4. Oatmeal. Okay, we'll be the first to admit that oatmeal isn't exactly the most exciting food to wake up to in the morning. But what oatmeal lacks in pizzazz, it makes up for in nutritional benefits. For starters, the oats used to make oatmeal contain a unique type of fiber known as oat beta-glucan, which has been found to help reduce cholesterol, among other things. Oats are also high in antioxidants, which can potentially help prevent conditions such as heart disease and high blood pressure. For those of you who can enjoy oatmeal, try serving it with milk instead of water for an extra boost of protein. Number 5. Chia seeds. Need a high-fiber way to start your day? Look no further. Chia seeds have got your back. In just a little under 30 grams of chia seeds, you can find a whopping 11 grams of fiber, which can not only reduce feelings of hunger, but can also maintain healthy blood sugar and blood pressure levels. Like most of the other foods on this list, chia seeds are also a beneficial source of antioxidants and are versatile enough to be a tasty ingredient in a number of different recipes. Try adding a scoop of protein to a chia seed pudding for an extra nutritional boost. Number 6. Berries. Berries are probably one of the healthiest foods that you can eat. They're so healthy, in fact, that we've already made a whole video on the health benefits you can expect from eating berries every day. Be sure to check it out. If you don't have time, here's a quick rundown. In addition to being lower in sugar than most fruits, berries are low in calories but high in fiber, antioxidants, and a plethora of other beneficial vitamins and minerals, which can prevent the signs of aging, reduce inflammation, and lessen the risk of heart disease. Now, that's what I call some very useful info. Number 7. Nuts. Even though many types of nuts are seemingly high in calories, this is mitigated by the fact that studies seem to show that your body doesn't fully absorb all the fat in them. In a 28-gram serving of almonds, for example, your body would only actually end up absorbing about 129 of those calories, while still feeling relatively full and satisfied. In addition, nuts also contain a number of helpful nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, and selenium, and can also be a tasty snack for anyone struggling with diabetes or at risk of heart disease. The amount of health benefits to be found in nuts is just plain, well, nuts. Number 8. Green tea. For those of you who don't want to drink coffee, there are other ways to get a healthy dosage of caffeine. One of these alternative caffeine options is green tea. In addition to helping with alertness and mental performance, green tea is also believed to help prevent diabetes by reducing blood sugar and insulin levels in your body. I guess it really is easy being green after all. Number 9. Protein shake. If you tend to start your day on the go or just have a hard time working up an appetite in the morning, the good news is that you can always save some time and effort by drinking your morning calories instead of eating them. While a number of different protein powders used in shakes and smoothies are available to choose from, whey protein specifically is the one which your body absorbs the fastest. Additionally, whey protein can help reduce calorie intake by managing your appetite, as well as help lower your blood sugar when consumed alongside foods that are high in carbs. With this in mind, a protein shake for breakfast can be a great way to shake up your morning routine. Number 10. Fruit. We already mentioned berries on this list, but there's no reason to leave other types of fruit out of a nutritious breakfast. In addition to being low in calories, many types of fruit are also an abundant source of important vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, as well as fiber and high water content. Number 11. Flax seeds. Like chia seeds and many other foods on this list, flax seeds are a rich source of fiber. Seeing a pattern here? It could be because fiber is an important part of the human diet that most people don't get enough of. For more information on that topic, check out Bestie's video on why you should eat more fiber. Flax seeds also contain nutrients which can potentially improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of breast cancer. Number 12. Cottage cheese. Hey, don't make that face. Cottage cheese might not look delicious, but you better believe it's good for you. In addition to being a rich source of protein, cottage cheese is also another source of the CLA that we mentioned earlier. Not a fan of eggs? Maybe give cottage cheese a try instead. Did you find this video informative? What's your typical breakfast look like in the morning? Be sure to let us know in the comments section below and help us keep the conversation going. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.